Assalamu-Alikum and welcome back. So our today topic is school record in management, educational leadership and management. What is the school record management? In this capsule statement, like school record include books, registers, documents, discussions, CDs, files, etc. So that contain information pertaining to the development and smooth functioning of the school. So this topic encompasses the role of school record to effective educational management and the importance of keeping a record in schools, types of school records and characteristics of good record management in schools. Now, the outline of the topic is the first we introduce, and the second, the importance of the record maintenance. The third is types of the school record, and the fourth is characteristics of good record management. The second last is safely managing and preserving school records, and the last is conclusion. Now, we will start with the introduction. Like educational problem arise with increasing strength of students in school on the daily basis. So keeping the available resources in view, educate record keeping of human and material resources is needed to respond the issue of ever increasing enrollment. Like there are material resources, but on the other hand the human capital, all the staff, either they are teacher, either they are uh, other staff in the school are the in the management side. So these are the resources which is needed to respond the issues, all kind of issues, uh, to manage the uh, overall problem or overall educational strength. So the complexity in school administration, its constraint, contingencies, and other difficulty also make record keeping a necessity. So now the management of record is a vital responsibility of the school head. The purpose of this school record maintenance is to ensure that accurate and proper records are kept regarding students' achievement and growth, school activities, and matters that will promote school efficiency and effectiveness. So the school record include a personal details of people along with their academic performance, like assessments and exam results, school policies, manners of school-based meeting, and informations received from provincial government and other public bodies. Importance of record maintenance. The importance of good record keeping transcends into short and long terms benefit and affect the overall achievement of educational objectives. So there are some reason of record management in schools, like accountability, and as well as they have their own decision makers, as well as the employment, staffing, human resource needs, as well as guidance counselors and information bank information for parents. All these are very necessary, are important steps that school should have. As the next is students' academic achievement and behavior planning, subject timetable, teacher-wise timetable, and supervisors are the inspector. So these are the main or the important reason for the record of the management in school. If a person, if an institution have their own record, they have a good management style, they can easily achieve their accountability, as well as they perform in their best in their decision making. Further, they can easily plan what they want and what are their objective. For this, the more important in this is the subject timetable as well as teacher wise timetable. So these are the very basic point that each and every institution have to follow. So there are types of school record. The school record can be classified into two categories. The first is a statutory and the second is non-statutory record. Statutory record are the records prescribed by education, etiquettes and law of the state. But non-statutory, while not prescribed by law, are equally important for the smooth functioning of school. So a number of examples of school record are given in the following slides are as follow. The first is administration and withdrawal registers. The second is examination at the result registrar. The third is teachers attendance register. The fourth is lesson plan file at the booklet. The fifth is class timetable. Now, there are the six is a student's progress report. In this, the student name, student father name, their class, and their term. So, the next is their subjects and their total marks, their obtained marks, and the remarks according to the teacher, according to their performance. So overall performance is satisfactory or good or excellent. These are the uh, remarks for the students according to their obtained marks. Now the individual cumulative record register. In this they have the father name, the student name, the contact number, class, admission date and age. The next is family background and co-curricular activities. The next is health condition, disease, and last medical checkup. And the academic achievement. In this, they have English like subjects. It may be English, Urdu, math, science, or social studies like reading, writing, speaking, and overall performance and their behavior. So these are the individual cumulative record register. The next is student attendance register, student registration are the enrollment record. These are the management sides, and joining and relieving of teachers are the employee counter file of transfer and leaving certificate and syllabus. Now there are the student biodata for communication to the parents. There are serial numbers, admission number, name, father name, class, home address, and their contact number. 14 is the student health record, like serial number, their name, father name, disease or medical checkup date, consultant, present condition, and their remarks. The next is 15 is teacher workbook, a daily planner, national policy and education, logbook, education, ethics and law, and school cashbook. Then next is disciplinary record or the punishment register. In this, they have the name, father name, class, offense, fine or the punishment imposed, or like what are the reason, and their. The next is a scheme of the student employee movement register, payroll of the teaching and non-teaching staff, proceeding of FTF committee meeting and bank statement account. The next is the yearly academic calendar. In this, they have first term, like in 2016, they have teaching work and their monthly test according to the date, and similarly second term, third term, and the revision time period. This is the yearly academic calendars. The next is Faroghi Talim Fund Register, School Stock Register, Library Stock Register, Library Issue Register, and the Lab Register. The visitors book or the register, like they have their own serial number, name, SNIC, contact number, purpose of visit, time of arrival, departure, and their. The next is a record of minutes of government bodies or the meeting curriculum, order book or curricular file. school building maps like showing covered and uncovered areas. And the next is a daily newspaper record. Further, they have a receipt and dispatch register, service book of non-gazette staff members, leave record of teaching and non-teaching staff, telephone. The next is they have donation register like a serial number, name, address, contact, are the nature of donation and the purpose of donation in their remarks. The next is PTM record register. In this, they have serial number, their father or the mother name, contact number, student, class remarks, or the parent's signature. The next is tree register. In this, they have name of tree, number of tree, allotted number, a condition, and their remark. Characteristics of good record management. In this, the processing or retrieval and utilization of record is not always an easy task. According to Ibarra, the following are the characteristics or attribute of good record management, although modification can be made. In this, they have completeness, the first one. The second is cost, like should not be too expensive. The third is flexibility. The fourth is quality, like they have the accurate as well as reliable. The fifth is relevance. The sixth is retention and disposition of record. The seventh is timeliness. The eighth one is variability, and the ninth is maintenance, and the last one is responsible custodian of records. The next is safely managing and preserving school record. In this, they have school record management involve the storage, retrieval, and use of information. Different method and system can be used to bring about efficient record management, like some of the ways record can be safely managed and preserved according to the classification, file storage, file maintenance, checkout, natural factor, and secrecy. The last is conclusion. In this, with a view to provide an optimal teaching and learning environment, school record are also kept by of teachers and other staff members. Like material are required, people are admitted, examine attendance and enrollment, staff and student transfer, and so forth. So it is also concluded that poor record management result in difficulties in administrating, planning and monitoring of educational system globally, leading to a number of management and policy implementation problems in schools.